Lapras is here? Ooh, are you kidding me? We almost had him. Whoa! Dude, Whalmer, you got messed up. Where do you get the egg from? Maybe I'm just blind. Get your eggs from the store. You were right. You do get your eggs from the store. Because it seemed like a random guess. I could have swore he was at the Pokemon Center. Dude, what is my encounter rate set at? Like, Lapras is here? Not randomized. Oh, this is a battle. I didn't see a way to randomize the egg. Unless it was involved in randomizing trades, but I thought I did that. You're gonna roll out again. We're gonna wipe the floor with this boil. Sprint around for 15 minutes. That poor Zubat. Now I will have balls. More balls, more power. What's a Metabot? Man, you ain't using the Metaforce. Dude, this Whalmer has so many hit points. See what I catch in here. Lunatone? That's cool. I've actually never used one of those. Dude, this randomizer is giving us a good mix-up. It is psychic. This might kill. Ooh, we can send the goose in. Maybe I shouldn't have sent the goose in. Oh. What? It is in fact rock. Yeah. Rock psychic. Like that's a solid one. I bet you this guy's got like a hella catch rate towards dance, so I hurt myself more. Arr, we almost had him. Come on, Lunatone. There's only one name I can give to you. Welcome to the party, Moon Moon. This is where the GS Chronicles run was way harder than this. Onyx is fine. But I just thought about the fact that I think Geodude learns Magnitude. If we ever get good enough at these, maybe one day we'll go back and try to Nuzlocke GS Chronicles, but I don't think I'm that good at these games. Roost, Roost, Roost. Dude, I think I had a flashback when he used Roost in the fight. I thought he was about to do it to me. Ooh, Lickitung. Are you kidding me? How are you just gonna crit like that? What a savage. Francois is certainly a critter. That actually might be bad. I think we can get water gun off here. I think it'll kill because of the rain. That's unfortunate. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. All right. Hey. Not today. I have work tonight, so. Well, first bird is now designated Josephine. Lamberfides? The Escalades? Get wrecked coughing. Oh. And we get an evolution. Thanks. Josephine here is going to be one of my level 15s, though. That's a lot of EXP, too. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at the bookstore. Oh, this man's got a Beedrill. This is probably gonna level him. That's okay, I'll only be at 116. Yeah. Dang, that was a ton of EXP. Alright, Jojo, time to do some work. Who has Intimidate? Jojo, you're intimidating. Look at that. Ooh, and Rock Slide hits both? Nice. Were doubles battles originally introduced in Gen 2, or was it Gen 3? Alright, Jojo, time to do some work. Ooh, he starts with Scyther. I did not know that. I did not expect him to start with his ace. Oh, that's a berry. I don't have quick attack. I do have quick attack. Oh, you sucker. Oh, Jojo, no! Yo, that was a quick attack. Dude, I just got Jojo. That's unfortunate. Dude, I'm super glad it did not start stacking Fury Cutter there. Looks like Tyrant's gonna pull through, though. It's actually kind of upsetting. What TM is that? U-turn. That could actually be useful. I just want to say if you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. Glad you were able to make it. Anyways, that's about it for this video. See you on the next episode.